Hey party people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Friend of Nails. Today I'm going to show you one of the ways I fix a broken nail. If you like this video, hit me with a subscribe and I'll keep uploading videos like this one. Let's not waste any more time and roll the clip.
What a do, party people? We're back with a broken nail. It honestly hurts just watching this video back over, but nails break and they grow back. So let's get right into the fix. So I start by cutting off the nail and oof, it hurts physically watching this, but it did not actually physically hurt when I cut it. Just kidding, the break's not that bad. Alright, now that my beautiful nail has been cut off, I'm buffing up the top layer here to remove the gel, getting my foil wrap, soaking it in 100% acetone. I kind of wait 10 minutes or so, scrape it off. I did that all off camera so you don't have to see the boring gel polish removal process. But next step here, I'm picking out the perfect nail size for that ring finger. Not too big, not too small. Gotta find the perfect Goldilocks nail size here. I'm now etching the inside of the nail to make sure it has proper adhesion. I'm using the Gel Après X set. Then I'm painting a thin layer of the Extend gel onto the inside of the nail, and I'm going to apply the nail tip at a 45-degree angle to the broken nail there. And make sure I'm pressing out the remainder of the top layer so there's no bubbles. Yeah, there we go. From here, I'm just cutting it down to the length that I want. And then the next couple clips, I'm going to keep filing and filing and filing until I get that perfect almond shape that makes it look like the rest of my nails. Once I get the shape that I want, I'm just going to buff off the shiny top layer and prepare my nail for polish. Finally, I'm applying this light pink baby polish followed by some chrome powder, buffing that onto the nail to finish out my manicure. And voila, there you have it. That is how I fix my broken nail.